When a man ends up with the wrong woman, it rarely happens suddenly. It happens quietly, slowly, silently. It happens in the moments he ignores his intuition and listens to his desires instead. Welcome back to Echoes of Stoicism. I'm your coach, Sadia Khan, and today we're going deeper than attraction, deeper than ego, deeper than desire. We're going into the psychology that leads men straight into heartbreak and how to finally stop repeating the same painful pattern. Segment 1, Attraction, the first trap. Attraction is powerful, but you must understand something. Attraction is not a sign. Attraction is a trigger. Your mind sees a beautiful woman and instantly builds a story around her. Not because you know her, but because you want her. Her smile becomes a fantasy. Her attention becomes hope. Her presence becomes meaning. And suddenly, your imagination runs ahead of reality. You don't fall for her. You fall for the story you created about her. That's how attraction pulls men into the wrong arms. Segment 2, Ego, the silent destroyer. And then comes the ego. Your ego doesn't want a good woman. Your ego wants the woman you cannot have. The woman who pulls away. The woman who gives mixed signals. The woman who keeps you guessing. Your ego whispers, prove yourself. Win her. Show her you're better than the other men. And before you realize it, you're no longer chasing love. You're chasing validation. You're no longer interested in who she is. You're obsessed with what she represents. A challenge, a test, a victory. And the wrong woman knows exactly how to play that game. Segment 3, Desire, the blindfold. Desire turns red flags into decorations. A woman who is inconsistent, you call it mystery. A woman who is emotionally unavailable, you call it depth. A woman who only gives you crumbs. You convince yourself it's effort. Desire is a blindfold, and men keep it on because they're afraid of losing the fantasy. But the truth is simple. The wrong woman shows you who she is early. You just don't want to see it. Segment 4, the lesson behind the pain. Here's the part most men don't want to hear. Sometimes the wrong woman isn't a mistake. Sometimes she's a lesson. She teaches you boundaries. She teaches you self-respect. She teaches you to listen to your intuition. She teaches you the difference between attraction and alignment. Her chaos teaches you the value of peace. Her inconsistency teaches you the value of effort. Her emotional instability teaches you the value of emotional safety. The wrong woman hurts you, but she also prepares you because when the right woman arrives, you'll recognize her instantly. Segment 5, the Stoic rule for choosing her. Here at Echoes of Stoicism, we live by this. Never choose a woman based on the intensity of the moment. Choose her based on the stability of your future. Ask yourself, does she bring peace or does she bring chaos? Does she make your mind calm or constantly anxious? Does she respect your values? Or does she test every boundary you set? A woman's beauty may attract you, but her character is what will protect your life. Chemistry is easy. Character is rare. Segment 6, Becoming the Stoic Man. A stoic man doesn't fall for the loudest woman in the room. He notices the calm one, the consistent one, the woman who doesn't just speak, she shows. He chooses the woman who aligns with his purpose, not the one who distracts him from it. Peace over excitement, loyalty over beauty, character over chemistry, clarity over confusion, because attraction fades, but compatibility remains. Closing, slow, powerful delivery. If you're listening right now, it means you're awakening. You're realizing that love doesn't require losing yourself. That desire doesn't have to drown your wisdom. That your heart deserves someone who protects it, not someone who plays with it. And once you stop letting attraction, ego, and desire make your choices, you'll finally choose the woman who was meant for your soul, not the one who was meant for your lesson. Outro, calm, firm. This is Coach Sadia Khan, and you've been listening to Echoes of Stoicism. If this message resonated with you, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more deep psychological teachings. Remember, a wise man doesn't fall for beauty.